Ever toyed with the idea of creating a super moist chocolate ganache cake right in your own kitchen? Well, today is the day to transform that thought into reality. It's a delightful culinary adventure that will leave taste buds begging for more. So, buckle up and prepare for a journey into the world of home baking. The first step, gather the ingredients. For the cake, you'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. For the ganache, you'll require 2 cups of heavy cream and 2 cups of high-quality dark chocolate chopped. Now, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large bowl, whisk together the sugar, flour, cocoa, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Add the eggs one by one, followed by the milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Stir well until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Then pour in the boiling water and whisk until the batter is thin. Pour the batter into the prepared pans and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cakes comes out clean. Once done, let the cakes cool in the pans for about 10 minutes, then remove them from the pans and let them cool completely on a wire rack. While the cakes are cooling, it's time to prepare the ganache. Heat the heavy cream over medium heat until it's hot but not boiling. Remove from heat and add the chopped chocolate. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, then stir until the chocolate has completely melted and the ganache is smooth. Once the cakes have cooled, spread a generous layer of ganache on top of one cake layer. Place the second cake layer on top, and then cover the top and sides of the cake with more ganache. And there you have it. A super moist chocolate ganache cake made right from the comfort of your own kitchen. To summarize, the key steps are: 1. Gather the ingredients. 2. Preheat the oven and prepare the cake pans. 3. Mix the cake ingredients and bake. 1. While the cakes are cooling, make the ganache. 5. Once the cakes have cooled, assemble with the ganache. So next time you're craving a decadent treat, remember that a homemade chocolate ganache cake is within reach. It's a simple yet satisfying process, and the end result is undoubtedly worth the effort. Happy baking!